God damn it.
I've been hit!
Where are you hit? He's
Femur!
down. He's down.
Femur! Fuck!
Hey! Hey!
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur!
Get him in the back of my truck!
No! Tourniquet! Tourniquet! We need a tourniquet now!
I've been hit.
Jarrott!
I got it. I got it.
Hey! I'm bleeding a lot. He's high up.
He's high up. He's high up.
What's up, brother? Hey, how we doing? You in park? Is this your truck? How long you been having it? Since how long?
2018.
Alright, you got driver's license on you, buddy? Where you headed to?
Right now,
What?
I'm gonna go get a hotel.
Oh, alright, where at?
I'm not sure yet. Well, I was gonna take some of my stuff.
Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother?
Yes.
Okay. Is that an ankle monitor?
Yes, sir. It is. GPS mom out on blind.
What are you doing on your phone?
I was gonna show you some pictures of the truck.
Of what?
The vehicle when I first got it.
Oh, don't worry about it, man. Let's get that ID.
Oh,
No, yeah, you're fine. You don't have any ID on you? Here, why don't you do me a favor? Take off your seatbelt and step out. Did you just hear me? Look at me. Take off your seatbelt.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. All right. Partner, are you good? God damn it. Where are you hit? He's down. He's down.
Femur! Fuck!
Hey! Hey!
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur!
Get him in the back of my truck!
No! We need a tourniquet now!
I've been hit.
Jarrott!
I got it. I got it.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Hey! I'm bleeding a lot.
Put it in park. I can't see what you reach for, man.
Oh, sorry. No, yeah.
Okay.
You don't have any idea. Here, why don't you do me a favor? Step out. Put your hands.
I've been hit! I've been hit!
Are you good?
I've been hit!
God damn it.
I've been hit!
Where are you hit?
Femur!
Down.
Femur! Fuck!
Hey! Hey!
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Femur!
Get him in the back of my truck!
No! Tourniquet! Tourniquet! We need a tourniquet now!
I've been hit.
Jarrott.
I got it. I got it. Man, I'm bleeding a lot.
Where's he hit?
Yeah. He's hit multiple places.
Hey, somebody else take the
bad one's gonna be in the femur.
Maybe an ankle monitor. Come Hey, come on. I got his head. What you want?
Stay my leg. You straight it, please. Straight my leg, please.
Hey, don't move.
Straight my leg, please.
Don't move.
Straight it, please. Straight my leg, please. Straight it, please.